Hello everyone, today we will learn opposite words. Day, night, up, down, hard, soft, in, out, far, close, fast, slow, open, close, happy, sad, sit, stand, hot, cold, clean, dirty, come, go, big, small, tall, short, few, many, hard, soft. Thanks for watching this video.